You're doing SEO, you're ranking on Google. But here's the problem nobody's talking about. Half the people searching right now never even click a result. They just get the answer directly from OpenAI ChatGPT, Google AI, or Perplexity AI Perplexity. And if your brand isn't showing up there, you're invisible. That's exactly why in 2026 there's a new game in town. It's called AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to break it all down for you. So what exactly is AEO? Think of it this way. Old SEO was about getting your website to show up in a list of links. AEO is about becoming the actual answer. With traditional search, you type a query, scan the results, click a link, and find the answer somewhere on the page. Answer engines skip all of that. They read content from across the web, pull out the relevant pieces, and deliver a synthesized response. So instead of ranking number 1 on Google, your goal now is to be the source that ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Google AI quotes when someone asks a question in your niche. That's AEO. You don't just rank, you become the answer. Here's why this matters right now and not 2 years from now. ChatGPT now handles over 2 billion queries every single day. Google AI overviews appear in nearly 55% of all Google searches. And get this, roughly 60% of Google searches now end without the user clicking any result at all. The answer just shows up right there. On top of that, brands that are not optimized for AI answer engines are invisible to a rapidly growing segment of users who convert at 4.4 times the rate of traditional search traffic. So this isn't a future trend. It's happening right now. If you're only doing traditional SEO and ignoring AEO, you're leaving serious money on the table. Now a lot of people ask, does AEO replace SEO? The answer is no. SEO drives the organic traffic that pays the bills today. AEO builds the brand authority that protects your visibility as AI search grows. Here's the real difference. SEO works at the page level, titles, keywords, backlinks. AEO works at the fact level, clear definitions, citable statistics, and structured sections. SEO says, get me on page 1. AEO says, get me cited as the source. You need both. But in 2026, if you're only doing one of them, you already know which one you're missing. So how does AEO actually work? When you ask ChatGPT a question, it doesn't just keyword match like old Google. It uses natural language processing to understand the intent of your question, cross-references its training data, pulls real-time information, evaluates the consensus, and synthesizes a completely new direct answer. And here's the key thing. Answer engines are terrified of giving wrong information, so they only cite sources that are mathematically structured, factually consistent, and widely trusted. That means your content needs to be written in a way that AI can easily read, trust, and quote. Clear answers, simple structure, backed by facts. That's the foundation of AEO. Alright, now the part you actually came for. How do you do AEO? 4 steps. Step 1, write answer first content. Lead every section with a direct answer in 40 to 60 words, then back it up with details. AI engines love content that answers fast and explains deep. Step 2, add statistics with sources. Princeton research found that adding expert quotes boosts AI visibility by roughly 41%, and adding statistics boosts it by around 30%. Real numbers build real trust. Step 3, use FAQ sections. Create actual questions your audience asks and answer them clearly. This is one of the top signals AI engines look for. And step 4, keep your content fresh. Research shows 83% of AI citations come from pages updated within the past 12 months. Stale content gets ignored by AI. Update your pages regularly. Subscribe to Rank Flip and press the bell icon for weekly SEO, AEO, and digital marketing tips that help you rank in Google and get cited by AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity.